Hello, welcome to Vocabulary. From today, I will provide several videos about fruit. Today is the first one. Fruit. 水果 1. Here, 果 means fruit. Fruit from everything. I put a 水 in front of it. 水 actually means water. So fruit with water means those fruit that are juicy. It's different from nut. So we call 水果. This group, I will present those fruits with a single core inside, like peach and plum, apricot. First one, peach. In Chinese, we call it 桃子. 桃子. Second tongue, and this one have no tongue. I put the character in the bracket means you can just do not say this when you're talking. Say 桃. And you can also put it in. It doesn't really matter, make no difference. 桃子. Next one, plum. 李子. litchi, 李 third tongue. 李子 is the same. Next one, apricot. 吸引 信 If you pay attention on the characters, you will see all of them has a sign of wood, a tree. It means those fruit come out of the tree. Next one is 樱桃. It means cherry. 樱桃. This is same like peach. 樱桃. Next one is mango. We pronounce 芒果. 芒果. Second tongue and third tongue. 芒果. We learn 果 means fruit. 芒果. The third one, date. 滋熬 枣 date. You see again it has a wood sign here and here. And here is a sign of grass, a plant. 芒果 樱桃 芒果 枣. Okay, this slide we start with tropical fruit. The first one, olive, 橄榄. 橄 both is third tongue. Both of them are third tongue. 橄榄. Next one, coconut. 椰子 first tongue, and this one is light with no tongue. 椰子. Next one, avocado. 梨 is an individual vowel, is a pronunciation of this character. 梨 means pear. 梨. Actually is a crocodile. This word is crocodile. This is a sign of fish. Because we think the skin, the shape looks like crocodile. It's named as 梨. Next one is litchi. 荔枝. This one. Here is longan. 龙眼. If you have been in my video of the festival, you know that this is a character for dragon. 龙. And here is a sign of eyes. So this is the eyes. Wherever you see this part, character is related to eyes. 龙眼. The next one is jackfruit. 波喔波了我罗么易蜜菠萝蜜. Actually, the first two characters 菠萝 means pineapple, and 蜜 means honey, sweet. This combined together is jackfruit, 菠萝. Okay, we learned 12 fruits. 桃子、李子、杏、樱桃、芒果、枣、橄榄、椰子、鳄梨、荔枝、龙眼、菠萝蜜. Alright, this is for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. 再见。